In this video, we will see how you can install the Higgsfield plugin right inside your Premiere Pro. So first of all, you need to visit the official website, which is higgsfield.ai. And once you're right inside, you need to find the plugins section. You need to click on this. Once you click on this, you will see the drop down where you see all the tools that they offer the plugins for. And we are interested in AI video tool inside Premiere Pro. So I will click on this. And once you are there, now you can see we can download the Higgsfield for Premiere Pro, and you need to click on this download button. Once you do so, it will download the ZXP file. So we need to install the ZXP file right inside our computer. So for that, you need to go to the search bar of your Windows and you need to search for ZXP. And once I type ZXP, you can see ZXP UXP installer. It will not be there in your computer by default. You need to install the ZXP installer from aescripts.com. I will mention the link in the description. You can check that out. Once you click on ZXP installer, you will see the ZXP UXP installer interface. And once you're right inside, you need to click on file and you need to click on open. Once you click on open, you need to specify the path where your AI higgsfield.cep.zxp is installed. You need to double click on this and it will ask you whether you want to install for Premiere Pro or After Effects. We can do this for both and we are interested in Premiere Pro, so that's fine. We can click on install. So as you can see, the Higgsfield has been successfully installed in my Premiere Pro as well as After Effects. So as you can see, this is the icon of the plugin. This is the name Higgsfield, and the compatibility for my Premiere Pro and After Effects is 2026 and the version is 1.0.21. Let us go right inside the Premiere Pro and see if it is actually installed or not. So for that, you need to go to the search bar of your Windows again and you need to search for Premiere Pro. Once you type Premiere Pro, you will see the Premiere Pro 2026 version. You need to click on this. Alright fellas, so once you are right inside the Premiere Pro, first of all, we need to apply the settings so that we can use the Higgsfield without any issues. So first of all, you need to go to the file and you need to navigate to project settings and navigate to general. Once you right inside the general, make sure that you have selected your Mercury playback GPU acceleration CUDA. This is very important. And once you're done, you need to click on OK. Next, you need to go to the window in the top navigation and you need to find the extensions. And once you find the extension, you will see the Higgsfield listed here. So you need to click on this and now it will open the Higgsfield right inside your Premiere Pro. And in order to continue, you need to click on continue browser, but before that you need to open your browser. For example, this is my Chrome, and then you need to navigate back to the Premiere Pro and you need to click on continue in browser. And now as you can see, this has been highlighted and the link has been opened inside my browser. So once you're right inside, you need to click on continue with Google. You need to select your account. You need to grant the required permissions and you need to click on continue. Alright fellas, so once you are authenticated, it will show you the message that you are signed in and authentication is complete. Now we need to go back to the Premiere Pro, and as you can see, we are right inside the Premiere Pro and we can use the Higgsfield to create the perfect videos like never before. And this is the perfect opportunity. You can increase your productivity inside the Premiere Pro. I will make another tutorial on how to use the Higgsfield inside the Premiere Pro, and see you next time.